stack is a main application. So stack is nothing but it's a linear data structure, that is it follows some particular order. So last in first out in the stack concept. Here two concepts are there. One is last in first out, first in first out. So last in first out is a stack concept. If we are taking some elements like in order, we can use the push and pop operation. We have to insert the element by using push operation. Then we can remove the element from the pop operation. So everything is happening in one end. Here the last element will be removed in the first. So it's a last in first order in the stack concept. It follows some operations like push, pop, pin and isFull and isEmpty. So push is nothing but a insert operations. We can insert the element in any order in any one of the end of the stack. So likewise pop is a remove. We can remove the elements or delete the element. So pin is we can get the top of the element. We having some pointers. It's called as a top. So we can get the element in the top of the stack. Then isFull is another operation. If it used to check whether the stack is full or not. Likewise, isEmpty is to check the stack whether it is empty or not. Okay, these are all the main basic operations based in the stack concepts. So here another one, we have to know the main keywords like stack underfold and the stack overflow. So stack underfold is check whether the element is present. If element is not present in a stack, if you are having some instructions to insert or delete, it's not happen in that particular stack because no elements are present in that particular stack. So it's a stack underflow concept. So stack overflow, if it's having some capacity or we can insert elements, certain amount of elements in a stack. If you want to add another one of the elements in the same stack, it's not accept that particular element. So because the sizes are over based upon a stack concept, so it's showing like stack is a overflow. So in a data structure, stack is the main concept. We have to know this basics of a data structures. So in a real-time applications, if you are taking stack means, we can say that example, if one box we can put some chocolates or biscuit packets, whatever it is. If you want to add some order in that particular biscuit packets or chocolates, if you want to, we can insert some last of the position and we can increment the top or the particular position of the stack. So one by one we can add the biscuits or chocolates. After that, if you want to get last one of the biscuits or chocolate means, first we have to remove the top of the element. So after that only we can get the end of the chocolate or a biscuit or any element. So it's a stack concept. So stack is a last in first out concept. So it's a main thing in a stack. So another one application is queue. So next we are going to see about the queue concept. Queue is nothing but for first in first out. Okay. So in a stack we can add any real time related to this stack. So it's having some algorithm based upon a push and pop operations. So we can implement a stack in a array concepts. Used on an array, we can implement a stack. Array is you are all knowing already. You have taken that class. Array is a similar data type of certain structure of data. So using array concept, we can use the stack. Okay. So if you are taking array means, here stack algorithm using array concept, we can build here algorithm. So first we have to initialize an array in a stack. So in algorithm, the first step we have to initialize the value or a array. Okay, after that we have to give the elements in any data type. Or if we are taking integer means, so integer data type we can give that as a element. So if you are taking like this, here we can add the element one by one and we can remove the element from the top. So first the stack will be the empty. Here we can initialize the top. Then after that, if you are adding another one elements means the top rank or the top values is increased. So this is the stack function.